Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the StarTech Thunderbolt 3 USB-C dual 4K 60Hz docking station. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing with you my opinion after using this for a couple of weeks so that you can make an informed buying decision. Now before I start the review good and proper, I just want to mention that during that title of the product name, this also supports 8K, so really important, this will support 8K resolution monitors. Now the part number on this is the TB3CDK2DHUE, and I will say it one more time, it's a Thunderbolt 3 USB-C dual 4K 60Hz docking station, also supports 8K, DisplayPort 1.4 HDMI and power delivery. It's backed up by a 3-year warranty. Inside the box we get this instruction guide for connecting everything and what all of the ports do. We also get a Thunderbolt 3 cable. Now that might not sound like a big deal, but a lot of manufacturers sell docks and accessories for your computer and they don't include cables anymore. StarTech include a good quality Thunderbolt 3 cable inside the box. We also get a couple of different power cables. So we get a 3-pin UK one and a 2-pin European one. Both of them have Clover type connectors on this end to go into the power adapter brick here. Now, if you buy this in another country, you should get a country specific power adapter that's relevant to your country inside the box. Then we've got the power adapter. So we've got a barrel type connector that goes into the dock. This is a multi-voltage power adapter, and then on this end here we've got that Clover type socket for the cable that I showed you earlier. And then we've got the dock itself, and this is really well made. It's primarily made of a plastic casing, but it is a good quality material. We've got a rubberized base to stop this from moving around on your table or desk. A little tiny LED light in the corner here. This is the Thunderbolt connection that you are going to use to connect to your computer, and that normally would be a laptop or Ultrabook. This is a docking station, and the idea being that you connect via one cable and then that gives you access to all of the other ports. So it's a really easy solution to coming back into your office or your home, plugging your laptop in via one cable, and then you've got access to all of the ports I'm going to show you. So we've got a USB-C on the front, 10 gigabits per second. This also supports charging. So this has got some power delivery on this port as well. Then we've got a USB 3, again 10 gigabits per second with power delivery. We've got a headphone socket as well. And that's all we've got across the front. On the side we've got a Kensington lock, so we can tether this down to a desk or table. And then across the back is where you've got all of the ports. So this is where you're going to plug in the power supply. We've got HDMI. We've got DisplayPort, we've got another HDMI and another DisplayPort. So you can choose, you can mix and match these, and you can support 2 monitors. So we haven't got 4 monitors. This isn't a quad display docking station. This is a double display, a dual display docking station. And you choose either DisplayPort or HDMI. And then we've got USB-C on the back again, 10 gigabits per second. And then we've got 2 USB 2 ports, I believe, with 5 gigabits per second. And then we've got the gigabit Ethernet port. So if you imagine you've maybe got a hard drive connected, printer, couple of displays, and your Ethernet plugged in here, and then via one cable connection on the front, you have got access to all of those peripherals. This is absolutely superb. I've used this for a couple of weeks now. It's worked flawlessly, really robust connections. It runs silently as well, and it just does what it says on the box. And as such, I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button and please do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.